Hello besties, it's me again. So today's video, it's gonna be another bag unboxing. I haven't done this in a while because I kind of like paused purchasing bags, but this is very special because it's like kind of like my late birthday gift. So let's unbox this together. I received this yesterday, and thank God I received this yesterday so I can film this today and try to edit them so I can have like videos for the rest of the week. So I know I've been really slow on YouTube lately and uploading, but I'm getting there. I'm trying to like upload at least once or twice a week now. So I already opened the box, and let me just get this paper out. Oh, hold on. Okay, I mean, can I just like, we just appreciate this box, this white box, and it says by far in like in the middle. So that's like the brand of the bag, and I've been seeing their bags everywhere, like everywhere, and I've been seeing it especially in like, you know, Kendall, Kylie, Bella Hadid, and then Matilda. She's really big on Instagram, and so I was like, I want to like, you know, see if it's any good. So okay, let's just open this up. I'm so excited. It's so bright and white. Okay, we have here paper, which is I believe the thank you note and the receipt. I didn't pay for this, so let me just, okay. Oh, that's the receipt. Okay. Alright, let me just set this aside and see what we got here. Okay. Too much paper. It's well wrapped. I would say that it's well wrapped. Okay. So it's wrapped with a plastic, and it came with a dust bag, which is really good. So this dust bag reminds me of like the dust bag from Xoxo, the material of this dust bag, and look how cute. And you guys already know I am obsessed in the obsession of like small bags, so I got these size because hello, if you don't know me by now. Okay, oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my freaking god, look at this color. Are you guys shocked? I know you guys are shocked. I'm like, green, really, Glenn? I know, I was shocked too that I picked this color, because if you guys know me and if you've been watching my bag unboxing, I kind of like stick to my black, brown, white purses or like bags. That's like the color that I really love, and I tend to buy more black purses or like, you know, like the neutral colors. But I push myself to like my comfort, like, you know, try to like push myself out there to just like be bold and buy or get like bright color of bag. I know it sounds very like it sounds to me it's very wild, but at the same time, like, well, you only live once. YOLO. Okay, so this is the bag, and I'm gonna read you guys the description of this bag if you guys are not familiar with the brand. So this is it says, our love for slouchy silhouette continues to grow while their sizes are getting smaller and smaller. Baby Cush is Cush's cute little sister. Okay, so the detail for this bag is, I'm gonna put like the size in the screen or probably in the description box below. And it also says that it easily fits a slim wallet, phone, keys, AirPods, while the wide soft handle will fit it comfortably on the crook of your arm. Maximize its trendy appeal, pairing it with flared jeans and flat form. So that's like the description, and I'm trying to, okay, so this is Baby Cush. I was gonna say Crush, but this is Baby Cush lime green flat grain leather. So this is, I'm gonna give you guys like a whole 360. So this is in the front. Don't worry, I'm gonna remove this. So this is the front look like, and the inside, and I also love the unique shape. That's why I picked this bag, because I got two crush on the back, so I got two favorites on the website, which is this one of course, and the other one, which is, I'll probably put a picture here. But yeah, I kind of love this bag, and the one that I really want to get is sold out, and I love how they have a lot of colors to pick. So anyways, so this is the back look like. It's really soft, I would say. Okay, right there. So let me just remove this so we can see the chain, and so we can try it on in my shoulder. So I removed the papers on the inside, and you guys, look at this bag. It's so freaking cute. And okay, ooh, so you can remove this, because I was thinking, wait, is this like this chain removable or not? So it is removable, and see here that you can just like remove this both. Okay, so you can remove it both and just like wear the bag like this, or you can put the silver chain. I was shocked to myself because like I'm not really into like silver chain. I love gold chain, but yeah, I love how that you can remove this, or you can just put this back. And so I'll put that back, and inside the interior is cream, I would say cream white. Okay, there's paper here. So it's basically just, okay, 100% bull leather, lining is 100% cotton, and this is made in Bulgaria. Okay, so this is the baby Cush lime green flat green leather. Okay, so it has the logo inside as well. There's logo here, and then, oh my goodness, it smells so good for some reason. That smells really, really good. If you guys want to see how I style this, make sure to follow me on my Instagram, because I will wear and use this bag. And I'm also gonna do like an updated on this bag, and also like what fits inside this bag, because I don't want this video to be really, really long. So I think I'm just gonna do like a separated video, maybe like 1 or 2 months from now. Or let me know in the comment section if you guys know what can fit in this little tiny ass bag. So anyways, that is it for today's video, and hope you liked this video as much as I did. And anyways, I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye. Myself inside the